Udukhat kaying dorbar thau an na parti VPP na Maurengkeneng constituency uba Havingstone Kharpran hakikenta keli jingkeli hakaying dorbar thau an ulapan jingshai halor ka jingshisha jong ka uniform civil code lani ka UCC kabaya kate kamat kadai ka balapin artatin shikiriu pajba hakajalla Handrai Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Konggal Sangma Haba Jubab ulapan syai baya kate kamat 4 pelong an Handrai kadai ke badang Shuanra tang hakaying dorbar Rajya Sabha. Haba benrap ikani uba Ardan Miller Besaya Moin, MLA kanongkrem, ulabu jingkeli ke Bniah la haluk Sabha, la pentrekam ne em. Badu Konrad ula Jubab biang bakadai tang kamat yakren, tang Rajya Sabha, bad ke badang Sahteng, bad omsyam lara hakaying dorbar Lok Sabha, bad kumjuru 4 pelong ain dak Sarkar India.
Mr. Speaker, sir. Reply to star question 47. Sir, no bill regarding UCC has been passed by the Rajya Sabha on the said date.
Explanation has already been done. The questions are supplementary question, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister, if not on this date, sir, whether the Government of India has passed this bill or not?
Sir, just for the benefit of the House, the UCC Bill 2022 was introduced as a private member's bill. It was not introduced by Government of India. Private members' bills are brought in by individuals at their individual level and capacity. So the bill has been brought in as a private member's bill, not by the government, number one. And number two, sir, in the list of pending bills in the Rajya Sabha, this one is number 100. So it is there, it was introduced as a private member's bill, and that was all, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, then Samoy, please.
So, may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister, in that case, whether that UCC bill was passed as a private member's bill in the Lok Sabha or the government's bill introduced in the Lok Sabha?
So, I'm repeating, sir, this bill was a private member's bill, not Government of India bill. Number two, it was introduced in the Rajya Sabha. And number three, it has been introduced, and that's all, sir. There's no passage of any of this bill, sir. It's just introduced and it's pending as a private member's bill in the Rajya Sabha.